Welcome to the series English Made Easy. Today, let us discuss about English. Some people say that English is difficult. Is it really difficult? No, it is not difficult. It's a misunderstanding. In reality, we make it difficult. How do we make it difficult? Let me give you an example. On my village visits, I used to visit the houses, and small kids used to play mischief. While the child played mischief, the parent used to say, "He doesn't have brains, father." I repeat, "He doesn't have brains, father." The child will listen to that. For the child, it is the truth. Now, what is the effect on the child? The effect is dangerous. Let's say he goes to the village school and the teacher teaches English or maths or even Gujarati. While the teacher teaches maths, what the child will remember, the child will remember what the mother said, "I don't have brains." So, even if I try, I will not get it. So, let me not waste my energy. I will not try. So, the child will never learn and remain backward. So, what a dangerous statement the parent made. In the same way, we hear remarks from others. Maths is difficult, English is difficult, and what do? We accept it as true. And as long as we accept it as true, it becomes a reality in our mind. The number of times we accept it, it becomes a concrete like reality for me in my mind. Let me give you a second example. In our housing societies, many people from different places live. Marathis, Punjabis, Gujaratis, Kathiawadis, South Indians, and so on. And the child will go in the open space to play with the other kids. The child will play with Marathi speaking child, English speaking child, Gujarati speaking child, Rajasthani speaking child, Punjabi speaking child, Hindi speaking child. And the child will converse with other children in their languages. How did the child learn all the languages? It's because there is no obstacle in the mind of a child. I can't do it. His mind is open and free. Nobody told him that you cannot learn, it is difficult. So, there was no negative statements in his mind. His mind was free and open, so he could learn any language. Learning was a child's play. Now, what do we do? We also, so far, have told in our minds that English is difficult, maths is difficult, maybe 10,000 times. And it has become a reality in our mind. It has gone to the subconscious. And mind you, we cannot delete it. So we have to push it to the background. We have to push it to the background. How do we do it? We have to say now positive statements. English is easy. Maths is easy. I can do it. English is easy. Maths is easy. I can do it. The number of times positive statements you place in your mind, then what happens is the negative statement, I can't do it, it is difficult, goes to the background. The more times we place positive statements, slowly the negative statements will go to the background and life becomes easy, English becomes easy, maths becomes easy. Remember, you try to remove your misunderstanding and the reality becomes positive for you, life becomes positive for you, just like that child in the society. All the best. Remember, English, maths is easy to those who are not lazy. All the best. God bless you.